Hi, today I show you how to create video task. Just a few steps, you can create one or more special videos. Let's begin. Click Add to add a task, and then input task name. Select additional functions you want to add in the task. Here are two options. You can add an audio as background music to the output video. You can also add an audio that is generated by text to the video. Now we select these two options and click Next. We come to the Materials Selection interface where we can choose materials for generating videos. Click Add New Material or choose Clear and Add Materials. Now we add new materials from File. Select some pictures first. Click Add New Material to select a video. You can see materials we select appear in the following list, which shows previews and names of pictures. If you're not satisfied with the order, you can adjust it. Check the material and click Move Up or Move Down. If you don't need the material, just check it and click Remove. You can double-click the number below duration to set time for the material. The default time is 5 seconds and you can alter it by yourself. For videos, duration stands for the video length, which is unchangeable. Also, you can double-click a material to add transformation. It determines which effect will show between two materials. Double-click a material and choose an effect. Then set duration for the transition effect. Click OK. Then you can see the transition effect we just set. You can set just like this for other materials. However, please pay attention. The transformation setting of the first material of every video is invalid. Next, you can add a watermark to materials separately. Double-click the material to open Watermark Settings interface. Select Watermark. Set the location for the watermark. 9 locations are selectable in addition to randomly. You can set opacity too. Higher values mean more opaque. You can also choose a proportion for the watermark. Click OK. After setting, you can find the selected watermark appears in the corresponding column. Next, you can add text to the material. By this setting, you are able to convert simple text into watermark and then add it to materials. Input text. Choose a location for the text. Here we choose randomly. Set text font and color. Click OK. Then you can add subtitle to materials like videos. Open subtitle settings first and then choose subtitle file Only SRT and ASS files are supported. Click OK. You can find the storage location of the added subtitle. Next, we can add separate audio for materials. Choose audio first. Set start time. You can start at a few seconds after the audio begins, or start at a few seconds before the video ends, or start randomly. Of course, you can adjust the volume. Selecting this stands for adding audio in the loop until the video ends. We won't add an audio, so click Cancel. Here you can choose material selection mode by the following order or randomly. You can also choose material quantity that are used to generate videos. Then click Next. Because we select Add Global Audio in the beginning, so now let's add audio to the generated video. Similar operations, click Add to add audio file first. Similarly, you can choose Insert mode of the audio. Insert by the following order or insert randomly. You can also adjust the audio order in the list or delete unwanted audio. Here are two modes of setting start time: start at a certain moment and start from a certain material. Likewise, you can set the volume and whether the audio loops or not. You can choose whether to cover the original audio of videos. Click Next. Because we choose to add text to speech in the beginning, so now we can add audio generated by text to the video. Input text you want to transform. The text will be converted into audio and then be added into the video. Or add text from file. First click Add to add text. You can choose to add one or more texts. Similarly, you can adjust text order, remove unwanted ones, and change insert mode. You can also set the transformed volume and start time. Click Next to Video Output Settings interface. First, set output format. Then you can set video width and height, video output quality. Change video output quantity and select output directory. Finally, set output video name. Program will use the default name if you don't input. Finally, click Finish. To run the task, check it and click Run. You can see the background turns yellow if the task starts running. You either do something else or wait for it. When background goes green, it means the task is finished. Click Open Output folder, then you can see the generated video. Click it to play.
We are one of the best internet marketing software
So,
and
this is the end of the presentation. Thanks for your attention.
Creating high quality, well-known software.